All right, good morning. I'm just going to do a quick overview of how to do the ruler game high score post. So go to Google, type in ruler game. Sure, I have it linked in Classroom as well. Click on ruler game, choose this new inch ruler game. Click on settings, verify that you are in 16ths of an inch and your ruler marks are in 16ths of an inch. Click on play game. Okay, 2 and 15/16, 7/16, 4 and 1/16, 1 and 7/8, 3 and 13/16, okay, 15, 2 1/2, half, 3 1/4, 1 and 15/16, 2 and 7/8, okay, 4 1/2, half, 2 and 11/16, 1 and 1/8, 1 and 7/16, half, 3 and 5/16, excuse me, 1 and 13/16, 4 and 15, 15, 2 and 5/8, 7/8, 5/16, 3/16, 1 and 11/16, 2 and 5/16, 1, 4 and 13, and so on. And then when you're done, you'll just take a screenshot of your score. Okay, so my score is 540. So if I just do a function print screen on my keyboard, print screen on my keyboard, and then we move on. Now, I will also be looking at the level down here that you achieved too. As you move on, the level gets a little harder. So what you'll do is take your screenshot, put it in a Google Doc, and submit it to the folder, to the assignment folder. All right, so once you get that high score and you get your print screen done, go ahead and open up this doc and then make a copy of it and place your score in here and submit it to the assignment folder in Google Classroom. And that's all we're going to be doing today.